In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can expand images in Adobe Photoshop. So I have my picture here, and the first thing we're going to do is click this crop tool. And in the crop tool, you can select an aspect ratio if you know which aspect ratio you want to use. So perhaps 4:5 for Instagram, or maybe 2:3 if you want to use something like that. And then here, make sure the fill is set to Generative Expand. And then you can leave your picture where it is. You can change your selection, make it bigger. It will remain the same aspect ratio as the one you chose before. And then maybe something like this. Just place your picture where you want it to be. Then you have your contextual taskbar, which if it isn't visible, you can also find it under Window. And then here you have contextual taskbar. And in this one, we're not going to give it a prompt, because without a prompt, Photoshop will take the environment around your subject to make an expansion of your image. So I'm just going to put my picture here, and I'm going to leave this empty, so no prompt here. And then I'm going to click Generate. As you can see here, you get 3 variations from which you can choose. This is the second one, and this is the third one. So to let you see, this is my Generative Expand option, and this is where we started from. So here you can choose which suits your project best. Maybe this one is best. And then you have this little Enhance Detail option, which you can click. So Photoshop will enhance the details that are expanded from your picture, and you get a new variation for that also. But this is how you can use a generative AI to expand your pictures. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.